Welcome back to our YouTube channel Systemize. Now we will start a series on C programming, so stay tuned and enjoy the series.
C is a middle-level programming language created by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories in 1972.
C programming was invented to develop Unix operating system. C is very fast compared to any other programming languages. This programming language generally used in memory management, GUI applications, and in games. Requirements to write C programming in your machine. Computer cannot understand any languages except machine code, which is binary codes. So after writing the source code, we have to compile it with the help of GCC compiler. GCC compiler will translate your source code to machine code, and based on the instruction set, the computer will complete the task. An IDE or integrated development environment generally used to write, edit, and compile your source codes. Examples of IDEs: VS Code Dev C++ Turbo C++ code blocks. You can choose any ID based on your preference. Thanks for watching Lecture 1 of C Programming. We will be back with the next lecture.